Hello, subscribers of this terrible, 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 channel. I'm wrapping presents. Nifty, I can show there. These presents are top secret because they're for someone who is subscribed to me. Let's hide these somewhere. Let's hide them right here. Yeah, you thought you'd get away with that, didn't you, Shannon? Didn't ya? Anyways, I'm wrapping presents. Terribly. Yeah, let's see how this works. I'm gonna put this somewhere where Mother? Is that the second? That's the second book. Where's the first one? Where is the first book? Stop doing this, Case. I do not appreciate it. Where's the first book? Anyways, so yeah, let's see how this works. There's Father? Oh God. Yeah, that's the first one, right? Yeah, 50 Shades of Grey. My father's reading it. Oh, that's just awkward. Cat. Hello there, cat. This is my cat. I've been thinking about it. I feel so bad for her. I've had her all of her life, and she's never had a mate. And she must be very lonesome, insecure. So, for all you guy cats out there, that's Rosario, my cat. She's an indoor cat only, so do not expect to take her out. You'll have to come over here. And she's downright hates me. Oh, she's going into my room. Like a ninja. Watch out, wait, never mind. Maybe I don't want to show you my room. I'll show you the ceiling while I walk over to her. Well, bam! Oh, you meowed! You never meow! Holy shikaka. My 4 posters, my fan, and my other fan. Oh, and then I'm gonna show you this on the back of my door. The best calendar in the world. Isn't that nifty? Yeah, isn't that nifty, eh? Eh? I'm wearing my panda hat. I should put that up sometime. Yeah, Panda. The panda. 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 Yeah. I don't even know if you saw that or not. I'm just creeping over the advent calendar, you know, and whatnot. Okay, that got awkward. Oh no! You didn't see anything. My pants. They're striped. That scared me. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, anyways, where did I put... Oh, it's right here. Okay. Let me show you how badly I wrap. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. Let's turn this sideways. You might be able to see it. Might not be able to see it. So I need tape. Need tape. That tape on my hand. That is not about how do you get that picture? Oh my gosh! I actually did that side good. don't even know if he's going to do that or not. That's nifty. I'm very happy about that. Okay, scissors. Scissors. Cutting paper. Cutting paper. Because it's Christmas. Okay, so let's flip it up. So this is how you start. This is the next side. And the tape. That's that safari. Oh my gosh, you can see what I'm doing. That is nifty. Okay. And the other side. Bam! Tape in the hand. Down slowly. Foldy. And foldy. And yeah. And yeah. Like so. That. Beautiful. Does that say ugly? Oh joy. I don't have my rings on. It feels weird without a ring. Or bracelets. Or necklace. But I'm not showing you my necklace line. Oh, I do still get notifications. Oh, that's nifty. Because no one wants me, because I've only gotten one. Polar bears and a Vermont teddy bear. Vermont, yeah, that's where I live. Let's look at my backyard. Maybe, perhaps. I don't like these blinds. There's no one out there, so I can't really creep on anyone. Wait, let's go down this really low. Let's do this. There we go. My arm is underneath it. Oh, you can't see anything. Beautiful, ain't it? I thought I said anal. Mirror! I don't know what you can see. You can see a lot. I don't like that. Okay, let's continue. Continue our sleeping. No, I'm not going to. Closet. 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 I have two closets. Who are these for? Oh, these are all my dad's presents. Why are they all to my mother? Okay, well, I'm going to end it here because it's boring. So, I'm just going to continue wrapping slightly. Okay, bye-bye.